All right, welcome back, my dear students. In the last lecture, we actually upgraded our e-commerce site a little bit, and we are only showing products that are quantity of 0 and over. Now, the problem here is, and there's really no problem, is that we are still showing this in the category pages. So we need to also update these category pages and the shop page. All right. So lucky for us, that's super simple, and all we got to do is just copy this little piece of code here and copy it through the rest of our application. So I'm just gonna remove this a little bit here. I got some stuff there, but anyway, so I'm gonna look for get products because that's what we name most of the functions. Here in category page, all you got to do is come here and say and then paste that and take the where out right there. All right, that's gonna help us out. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna go to the nets, which is a shop page right here, and I'm gonna paste that in there, and we're done. That's it. Our e-commerce system should work now with everything. See, right now it's not showing anything. We'll go to the shop page, nothing is showing. Let's go to admin, view products, and see that we have 0 quantity there. Let's go ahead and update the quantity. Let's go back to home. We can see that it's here. It's not there because it's not related to that category. We can see that it works here, and we can see that it works in the shop page. All right, so that's all I wanted to show you for this here, just in case you had any doubts how this works. So they're both showing in t-shirts category right here, shop page, and on the front of the website. All right, so hopefully you got that. Super easy to do. I just wanted you to be aware of it and not to forget. Also, if you have an online application, make sure that you upgrade your online application as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next extra features section or lectures.